My name is Zhang, and I come from China and currently a grad student in Korea. And I got the scholarship of AWS AI for ML from Udacity. I am currently a grad student and I'm also a research assistant in the cybersecurity lab. And in the lab, I need to handle and process data. I need to use machine learning algorithms to process the data so I can apply the knowledge from what I learned from Udacity's course to my current research. In the course final project, we built a simple classifier of images. The most challenging part of the course is mathematics. In this course, I needed to learn by those online videos and also I need to learn from the tutor's course. And my favorite part of the nano degree is the tutor part, because the tutoring from the tutors of Udacity, and they teach us very carefully and they can answer our questions. I learned the entire pipeline of the machine learning and how to build a model, how to use it, how to implement it. I learned it from the Udacity course very systematically. The tutors also gave us very useful suggestions.